Welcome to part 4 of our training series on sacramental record keeping in the Archdiocese of Seattle. In this video, we'll walk through how to record the sacraments of First Eucharist and Confirmation. Following these guidelines helps keep our sacramental records clear, consistent, and easy to reference both now and in the future. Let's get started. First Communion registers aren't required by canon law, since the reception of communion does not change a person's status within the Church in the same way as baptism, confirmation, and marriage. However, we strongly recommend recording it for practical reasons. It helps with sacramental prep, provides documentation for families enrolling children in Catholic schools or religious ed programs, and supports parishes in tracking participation and planning. The First Communion register includes 3 key elements: the full name of the communicant as it appears on their baptismal record, the date of reception, and the name of the minister who celebrates the sacrament. Now let's take a look at what goes into a confirmation register. Each entry should include the full name of the confirmand as recorded in their baptismal record, plus a confirmation name if one is chosen, the names of the parents and sponsors, the date and place of the sacrament, and the name of the bishop who confirms them. Let's talk briefly about joint confirmations, since this is a topic that we get a lot of questions about. This applies to both planned joint celebrations where several parishes share one confirmation liturgy, and one-off cases like when a candidate is confirmed at another parish due to scheduling conflicts. No matter the situation, each sending parish is responsible for completing its own confirmation registers and certificates for its candidates. The host parish does not record candidates from other parishes. Both the register and the certificate must clearly state the church where the sacrament was actually celebrated, even if it's different from the candidate's home parish. Thanks for watching this quick overview of First Communion and Confirmation records. In the next video, we'll go through the policies around recording the sacrament of marriage. As always, if you have any questions after watching this series, feel free to contact one of our diocesan archivists. Our email address is included in the description of this video. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.